Welcome everyone to this brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the Steam games for free and download it into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So what are Steam games basically? So this app that is called Steam, this is the modern version of the Steam app called Steam Plus Plus. And in this app you can basically add up to $300 of funds for free per day. So basically, for example, today if I haven't redeemed or added any funds in my Steam account, all I have to do is open this app and go on and basically add as many funds out of those different packages of funds that I'm being offered. I can add up to a maximum amount of $300 per day. So basically, once I have added $300 today, I won't be able to add any more funds than more than $300, and I'll have to wait for the next day, and that means tomorrow. So basically, in this modded version of Steam called Steam Plus Plus, you can go on to add $300 per day. So as you can tell, I'll be showing you over here right now. My current wallet balance is $178.36. So this means if I am to add $300 per day, I should be having $478.36 by the end of today if I add $300, and I'll be adding $300 right in front of you over here. So as you can see, I have these different packages offering me $5, $10, $25, $50, and it says add funds. So look at that, I just added $10. Now I have 188. I added 10 more. I have 198. This way I can go on to add as many funds as I want up until the total amount of funds added per day adds up to $300. Look at that, I just added $15 into. I just added five more dollars, and now I've added a total of $25. 2 times the 10 and 1 times 5. Now I've added $20. $25 I mean. So now I've added $50 in total. I've added $25 more dollars. Now I've added $75 in total. I have $225 still waiting for me to be added in today's date. And if I don't add it, it's my fault that I haven't used the full limit of today. However, I have the option of adding $300 per day into my personal wallet each day. So each day I can go up to add $300 per day. So imagine if you're adding it for a month, so 300 times 30. So it is like $9,000 per month with this modded version of the Steam called Steam Plus Plus. So look at that, I just added $100 more. Now I have to buy. Now I have just like $75 more left, perhaps. Yes. So look at that, 453. So I've nearly added $300. I'm going to fully redeem my limit. So let me just add a few more. There you go. Okay, now I have 478.36. Now that I've reached the $300 daily limit, now if I go on to add any more dollars, I will be notified with a notification saying that $300 have been added. Come back tomorrow. Look at that notification. You can add $300 per day. Come back tomorrow. So now that I've redeemed my total limit of $300, I can't add any more, and I'll have to wait for tomorrow. So look at that. Now, no matter how many times you go crazy with the clicks, it will never let you add more than it will not even let you add a single dollar. You will have to wait for the next day. So it doesn't matter if you go crazy on the clicks. You can't do anything. I can't help it, guys. So you can add only $300 per day. So this is this modded version of Steam called Steam Plus Plus. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete this app so that I can show you how to install it again. So there you go, I'm just giving you a final look. So this is the icon right underneath the home icon, and I'll just be deleting it right now so that I can show you how to install it. So we'll be going through this together. I'll be showing you, and you guys will watch and learn, and by the end of this video you'll be able to get the Steam Plus Plus downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So now that I've uninstalled the Steam Plus Plus, the first thing you have to do is locate it and open the settings of your phone and scroll down to your battery settings. And this is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And then inside your battery settings, you have to make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. So this is step number 1. Again, I'm saying this is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to make sure that your power saving mods are off. Because if they're on, your downloading process will be affected. So make sure that they are off so that you can freely download the Steam Plus Plus. Once you've completed step number 1, you'll have to exit your battery settings and proceed to step number 2. And I'll show you how to proceed to step number 2 and what is step number 2. So simply exit your battery settings and proceed to step number 2, in which you have to basically go down to your browser settings. So you'll be opening the settings of the browser you'll be using to download the modded version of Steam. And inside the settings, go to the privacy and security section and unblock all the cookies by disabling the setting that says block all cookies. So you have to unblock all the cookies of your particular browser that you'll be using to download the modded version by unblocking the settings, by disabling the setting says block all cookies. Otherwise, your downloading process will be affected. And this is step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Once you've completed this, move on and go on to step number 3, which is only for iOS devices, where you have to go to your general settings and go to your background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage. And make sure that your background app refresh is on nothing but on Wi-Fi and cellular data out of these 3 options saying off, Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 3, which is only for iOS devices, in which you have to make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you've done that, simply close the settings of your phone and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. So open the browser and into the search engine bar of that particular browser type in tweaklab.win. So type in tweaklab.win into the particular browser's search engine bar and click search, and you'll notice that a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list contains a lot of cool things, and a lot of things will get your attention, and a lot of things will fascinate you. And it is highly unlikely that you may not find anything in the search in this list if you're looking for it. However, if you can, go to the search bar and type it over there, and you'll be able to find it over there as well. And there you guys find the Steam Plus the modded version. It says user can add up to $300 per account per day, Android plus iOS. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking the sign button, or anywhere inside the Steam Plus box, just like this, and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button, which is right here. And remember, there's only for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And remember, once your injection process has been finished, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is going to be super easy, and I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. Let me just proceed. So basically, you have to complete 2 offers on the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, I'm being offered a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2, and definitely I'll be completing the 2 easiest of all the offers. And my first one is going to be, let me just search around these offers, and my first one is going to be the IRL social calendar. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. Now remember, they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction and offer, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice me running this app for 40 to 50 seconds just because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short. Now remember, I've completed my offer number 1, and I have to complete offer number 2 as well, and my offer number 2 is going to be present. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, again, the instruction is similar, so I'll be running this app again for 40 to 50 seconds to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction. And remember, once your contents are downloaded, immediately these extra apps just to optimize your storage. And once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you will notice that your modded version of Steam called Steam Plus will have been downloaded just the way in these few simple steps, in which you can get add $300 per day per account in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until then, bye.